navigate to flows from LWC. So previously we wanted to use a flow with LWC. We usually embed the flow inside the component using Lightning Flow or use URL based navigation. But with Spring 26, Salesforce introduced a cleaner approach using a new Salesforce Flow page reference type. So let's jump into the live. With remaining time, we will see the code for this. So here, using NavigationMixin, we can call the flow directly. So this is the flow name which I have created. So here, you can see in the right-hand side, like we can navigate to flow from a account record page directly from LWC. So here, if we click on service request, like, so yeah. So from account record page, we can directly redirect to a flow which we have created. Like the subject is. So if we click on next, here we can create a case from account record by calling flow, and we can get back to the account directly. Like, and here the case will be created with new case. So majorly the feature is like we have this type called standard flow using NavigationMixin, and we are calling the create service request. So yeah, this is one of the feature.